Hello, you must be Sophie.
Yes, hello. You are Mike, the landlord?
Yes, that's me. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome. This is the apartment.
Thank you. I'm excited to see it.
Great. Please come inside.
Okay, let's go in. Wow, this living room is big.
Yes, it's a large living room with lots of light.
I like the big window.
The window brings in sunlight all day.
That's nice. And what about the kitchen?
The kitchen is over here.
Oh, it looks modern.
Yes, it has a new stove and refrigerator.
Mike, how many bedrooms are there?
There are 2 bedrooms.
2 bedrooms? That's good.
Yes, one is bigger, the other is smaller.
Can I see the big bedroom?
Of course, it's right here.
Oh, this bedroom is very bright.
Yes, it has a big window and a closet.
A closet? Perfect. Mike, is there only one bathroom?
Yes, just one bathroom.
Can I take a look?
Of course, it's right here.
Oh, it looks clean.
Yes, we painted it last month.
Does it have hot water?
Yes, there is hot water in the shower.
Great, that's important for me. Mike, how much is the rent?
The rent is $1,000 per month.
$1,000 per month. Okay. Are the bills included?
Some bills, yes.
Which bills are included?
Water and internet are included.
And electricity?
Electricity is not included.
I see. That's clear. Mike, are there any rules for the apartment?
Yes, a few rules.
What kind of rules?
No smoking inside the apartment.
Okay, that's fine. I don't smoke. And pets? Are pets allowed?
Small pets are allowed.
Great, I have a cat.
A cat is no problem.
Perfect. That makes me happy. Mike, how is the neighborhood?
The neighborhood is quiet and safe.
That's good to know. Are there shops nearby?
Yes, there's a supermarket 2 blocks away.
Great, very convenient. And what about transportation?
There's a bus stop on the corner.
A bus stop close by. Perfect.
Yes, and the subway is only 10 minutes away.
That's excellent for me. Mike, is the apartment furnished?
Yes, it is partly furnished.
What furniture is included?
There's a sofa, a table, and 2 chairs.
And in the bedroom?
In the bedroom, there's a bed and a closet.
That's very useful. Is everything in good condition?
Yes, everything works well.
Perfect, that's important for me. Mike, do I need to sign a contract?
Yes, a 1-year contract.
1 year. Okay, that's fine. And what about the deposit?
The deposit is 1 month's rent.
1 month's rent as deposit. I understand.
Yes, you get it back if there's no damage.
That sounds fair. When can I move in?
You can move in next week.
Great, that's perfect for me. Mike, I really like the apartment.
I'm glad you like it.
Yes, I want to rent it.
Perfect. We can sign the contract this week.
That's great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Sophie. I'm happy to have you as a tenant.
I'm happy too. Place feels right for me.
Good. Welcome to your new home.
Thank you, Mike. See you soon.
See you soon. Goodbye.